Dear viewers, welcome again. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of English grammar. Please look at the sentences here. Here we have four sentences. The first sentence is Jacob walks in the morning. Then Mike is going to school. Albert does not like to walk. And last of all is Anna is a good girl. Here in these sentences we have red colored underlined words. Now can you guess what is their function in these sentences? Okay, in the first sentence, was, it indicates a usual action. In the second sentence, is going, Mike is going to school. Here, is going indicates a condition of action. Albert does not like to walk. Does not like indicate a negative action. And Anna is a good girl. Here, is indicate a state of being. Okay, if any word or a group of words indicates state of being or action, it is called verb. Okay, now let us see the definition. A verb is a word or a combination of words. Yes, it can only be a single word or it can also be a combination of words. If a word or a group of words indicates action or state of being, it is called verb. There are many verbs in English. Today we will focus only on finite and non-finite verb. Dear viewers, verbs have agreement with the subject. If I clearly says that a verb has agreement or relation with the tense, person and number of the subject. Let us look at the examples here. Okay, actually, a few moment ago, I said that a verb has agreement with tense. Okay, now let us see what is the agreement here. In the first sentence, I can see I play cricket. Okay, here the sentence that it is in present tense. Okay, if I change the tense, okay, it became I played cricket. It is in past tense. Okay, so play verb became played with the changing of tense. So I can definitely say that verb has agreement with tense. That means if the tense changes, the verb also changes. Okay, now let us see the agreement with person. Okay, here I play cricket. Here I is the first person. If I change the person, okay, suppose the person is third person. Okay, he plays cricket. Here with the changing of the person, the verb play become plays. Okay, so we can also say that a verb has agreement with person. That means if the person changes, the verb also changes. Okay, now let us see the last agreement with number. Okay, here we can see he is a student. Here he is a singular number. Okay, okay, but in the next sentence they are students. Here they it is plural. Okay, with the changing of number, the verb become changes. Okay, and the singular number, whenever the subject was singular, then it was is. But whenever the subject becomes plural, it becomes are. So we can say that verbs have agreement with tense, person and number. So if a verb changes with the changing of tense, person and number, it is called finite verb. Okay, since verb has agreement with tense, person and number, and if any verb changes with the changing of tense, person and number, it is called finite verb. Okay, now let us go to the examples here. Okay, Let us go to the know what is non-finite verb. Okay, a non-finite verb has no agreement with tense, person, or number. Please look at the examples here. Uh, we want him to act as the secretary. Here, this is the main sentence. Okay, here in this sentence we have two verbs. One is want and another is to act. Okay, now we will identify which one is finite and which one is non-finite verb. Okay, now let us probe it. Okay, uh, here it was in the present tense. If I change the tense, okay, if I write it in past tense, it would be we wanted him to act as the secretary. Okay, here the verb want became wanted with the changing of tense, but to act remains same in the past tense. So we can say want and wanted. These two verbs are finite verb, but to act is non-finite. Okay, now another example. Here, if we change the person, here we was the first person, he is third person. Okay, with third person, the verb changes. One becomes once, but here to act remains same. So what I want to say is that actually, if a verb does not change with the changing of tense, person, or number, it is called non-finite verb. Actually, non-finite verbs are not actual verbs that don't work as verbs. Rather, they work as noun, adjectives, and adverbs. The form of non-finite verbs are infinitive, gerund, and participle. We will discuss them in our another episode. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time.